Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can increase protection in Google Chrome. So what we need to do is go to the top right corner and then click on these three dots over here. Now choose settings. On the left side switch to privacy and security, and from this list over here choose security. Over here we have save a browsing option where we can decide the type of protection. By default we have standard protection, which detects and warns you about dangerous events when they happen, and Google Chrome checks URLs with a list of unsafe sites stored in Google Chrome. And if a site tries to steal your password or when you download a harmful file, Chrome may also send this URL or this link, including bits of page content to safe browsing. Now, if you want to increase the protection, then of course you should choose Enhanced Protection. Over here you can read what it does, and at the same time, if you want to lower the protection, then you can go back to the standard protection or use no protection at all. However, this seems to be dangerous to use in Google Chrome. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.